Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine? I am also very fine. All are you doing homeworks? Very good. Do the homeworks and send to the WhatsApp group. Watch the video carefully. Open the textbook. Read the lessons. Practice the hard words. Don't waste your time. You are in the home now. Don't waste the time. After finishing all the works, you can enjoy. No problem. Okay? Now we will go to the which lesson we are discussing? Yeah, about our body. Our body. Okay, listen now. So, already we discussed about the page number 1, 2, no? Now, page number 3, sense organs are there. What organs are there? Yeah, sense organs. Sense organs. Now, we are going to read this about the sense organs. See, sense organs. Sense organs are the external organs of our body. Organs such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin help us to see, hear, smell, taste and touch. Next, see the page number 4. Eyes. The eyes are our window to the world. They help us to see everything in our surroundings such as colors and shapes. The eyelashes protect the eyes from dirt. The color and shape of the eyes may differ from one person to another. Next, ears. The ears help us to listen to various sounds in our surroundings. The ear is divided into 3 parts: inner, middle and outer. The sound reaches the inner ear after traveling through the outer and middle parts of the ear. This is how we hear everything. Nose. The nose helps us to smell. It has 2 holes called nostrils. These nostrils help us to breathe. The hair inside the nose help to keep away germs. Okay, so that is about the page number 4. Okay, so read it. So come on, open the video, open your textbook, keep it in front of you. I am reading now, same like that. You also practice reading. Then it is easy to read. Okay, next we will write the hard words. The hard words which is belong to page number 4. First one. Yeah, sense organs. Sense organs. Sense organs. Second one, surroundings. Surroundings. Third one, eyelashes. Eyelashes. Fourth one, differ. Next, inner ear. Next, middle ear. middle ear. Next, outer ear. Next, traveling. Traveling. Next, nostrils. Next, breathe. Okay, listen children. Sense organs, surroundings, eyelashes, differ, inner ear, middle ear, outer ear, traveling, nostrils, breathe. Sense organs, surroundings, eyelashes, differ, inner ear, middle ear, outer ear, traveling, nostrils, breathe. Okay, so these are the words. Now we are going to write homework. Yeah, homework. What is the homework? Okay, write the homework children. Past one, dash are our window. Dash are our window to the world. Second one, the dash inside the nose, help to keep away germs. Next, third one, the dash and dash of the eyes may differ from one person to another. Next, missing letters. A1, N dash, S dash, RI dash S. P1, E dash E, LA dash E S. So this is the homework children. Once again, see which page you find answers? Yeah, page number 4. Okay children, you get these answers in the page number 4. So what is that? Dash are our window to the world. So this is a, now I am not given before videos. So all what I am giving now, no, those are the new bits only. Those are the new bits. If you know these bits, you are thorough with the lesson. So wherever your parents are asking now, come on, you know it very well. Okay, so that is why read the page properly and answer to these questions. Okay, these fill in the blanks. First one is dash are our window to the world. Second one, the dash inside the nose help to keep away germs. The dash and and children. The dash and of the eyes may differ. The dash and dash of the eyes may differ from one person to another. Next, missing letters. So what are the letters are missing here? You should write there. What is that first one? N dash, S dash, R I dash, S. B with E dash, E, L A dash, dash, E S. Okay. So write page number, date and day, subject, right there, write the given, fill in the blanks. Okay, so what is your diary work? Write the given, fill in the blanks. What are the fill in the blanks I given now? So that is your diary work. You write the day. So how you are writing in the class? Same like that you should write in your diary also. Already I given the FA1 syllabus to you now. Lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 1 and 2. Okay. Next week I will give the notes. So before that what you do? So you have to read the lesson and what are the homework I am giving to you now? You can do it in your rough notes. Don't write in the class work. No need to write anything in the class work. I will give. Okay. So only question and answers we are writing in the class work, not other bits. So all the bits you should practice in your rough book. Don't write in the class work. So where you find these answers? Means watch the video carefully and page number 4 about the sense organs, eyes, ears, nose. What is this topic? Where you find these answers? Page number 4, eyes, ears, nose. So where you find these missing letters? I given the 10 missing letters, 10 words to you now. From that you will get these missing letters answers. Okay. So read it properly. Page 4 and page 3. Here I given the sense organs. Here from here I given the work now. So from here to page number 4. Page number 4. Okay. So complete it. How many sense organs are there? 5 sense organs. What are that? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Here uses also given. Eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear and nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste and skin help us to touch. Okay, that is about the page number 3 sense organs. Next eyes, ears, nose. Okay, so write, copy the questions neatly in your rough notebook and write answers for that and send to the WhatsApp group children. Okay, do it well. Thank you.